All right, real props. Here we are with a massive echo. However, I'm going to give you the tornado tour of everything that's been done so far. This is literally day 2.5 into the project. Today's going to be taking out the baseboards, got all the extra loose ends off, doors, AC. Got the bathroom. I'm going to take the vanity out and the toilet out. That's going to be replaced. Reglaze the tub and leave it as is for the time being. Get all the light fixtures and all that stuff. Closet. There's another room. It had the green carpet, if you remember. We're going to take down that paper. That's going to be fun. Come back in here. These are the things that are going to be donated. Still a little bit sitting around, but that's going to be coordinated with the Salvation Army and the women's shelter. They're going to get all that stuff. And as we go through, still got all this stuff from the kitchen. Started pulling out the liners that were inside the cabinets. And I'll tell you what, it's pretty funny. You can see it all here, but this is what it looked like. And that's what they look like on the inside. They're pristine. So home run on that piece. Just got to get some color on the front, change up the hardware, stuff like that. And then change out the sink and the appliances and come back here. Laundry, not going to really mess with that. And then the master, if you remember the tan carpet that was in here, baseboard's coming off, the ceiling fan's going to come out, paint and ceiling and all that. We got the bathroom here. We got the toilet's going to be changed, the vanity's going to be changed. And then up here we're going to put in some LED recessed lighting with an exhaust fan. And in the closet we'll put another LED to make it nice and bright. So when you go in there, holy mackerel, can't wait. This is 2 days, whirlwind tour, real props, Tampa.